Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 31st of August. And first of all, national news. Deep depression over Arabian Sea intensified into Cyclone Asna. PM Modi to visit Brunei, Singapore in first week of September. PM Modi laid foundation stone of Vadhavan Port project in Maharashtra's Palghar. Pakistan invited PM Narendra Modi to attend SCO meeting in Islamabad in October. Supreme Court Collegium rejected Justice Shamim Ahmed's request, reiterated transfer to Madras High Court. And now some international news. Ukraine said one of its Western donated fighter 16 warplanes has crashed. Germany deported Afghan nationals for first time since 2021. Case count against ex-Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina crossed 100. WHO said its deal with Israel will allow limited pauses in Gaza fighting for polio vaccinations. Africa's mpox response is less than 10% funded, Africa Centers said for disease control. Typhoon Shanshan hit Japan with heavy rain and strong winds. Now some sports news. Avni Lekhara won India's first gold at 2024 Paralympics in 10-meter air rifle. Preeti Pal won bronze in Paralympics women's T35 100-meter event. Manish Narwal settled for silver in air pistol event. Nitesh Kumar sealed semi-final spot in badminton. Mansi Manoj out. Archer Sheetal Devi shooted an incredible 708 just one short of new world record. Business related news. Forex kitties fell by $7 billion to hit record high of $681.69 billion. GDP growth slowed to 15-month low of 6.7% in April to June. Vistara to merge with Air India from November 12. Key infrasectors growth slowed down to 6.1% in July. And that's all in news. Thank you.